Hello, welcome to Fit Tak. I'm Dr. Nandita Shah, the founder of Sharan, and you're with Healthy Living with Sharan. Today's topic is sugar. Do you like sugar? You might say no, and you might be like one of my patients who said, I never give my children sugar. And then when I asked her, what do you give your children for breakfast? She said, I give them toast with butter and jam or cereals. And you know what? Both these have sugar in them. Jam is made with sugar, and so are cereals, or usually we put sugar in the cereal, right? We have sugar everywhere without even thinking of it. If you eat any ready-made food, they put a little sugar in everything. All the flavored potato chips have a bit of sugar. Even the chivda has a bit of sugar. Or even biscuits, naturally, they have sugar, right? So sugar is everywhere. And the main reason people put sugar everywhere is that it's instinctively addictive to us. And why is it instinctively addictive to us? Because the best food for us in nature is sweet, and that is fruit. And the sweeter the fruit, the higher the quality of the fruit, and therefore we always go for the sweetest fruits, and that's because it's just healthy and good for us. We are actually frugivores. The best food for us is fruit. You can live on only fruit, but you should at least have a few servings of fruit a day, right? Okay. But now in this modern world, we forget about that and we just have our sugar fix through plain old sugar. And we don't even recognize it, right? So, how can we get rid of this sugar craving? We have to notice where it is. Or we have to just stop buying sugar and buying ready-made products, because sugar is in everything. And then start bringing in replacers for all those sweet drinks and sweet foods. So how can we really be mindful and conscious about everything we do, everything we put in our mouth, and think about whether it's good for us or not? And I do understand that you may not be able to change everything every day or right away, but you may at least be conscious of it so that soon in the future you will be able to change. Because none of us want to do something that's bad for our own health, and especially not now when we have the pandemic going on, right? So we always want to be careful to eat healthy and avoid things that are dangerous. If you're a mother, make sure that you don't give your children things which have sugar in it. You're making them addicted to sugar, and instead of that, give them sugar replacers, lots of sweet fruits, or make date nut seed laddus or raisins as a snack, or even other dried fruits like apricots or dried figs. And nowadays you can find other fruits also dried. Where I live, you can get sun-dried bananas or sun-dried papaya or pineapple. Now when you go for these sun-dried ready-made things, sometimes they're preserved with sugar, so we have to be extra careful. And sometimes they're preserved with sulfur, and here we have to be careful too. Sulfur keeps their color, sugar works as a preservative. Let's always be mindful of what we eat and step by step remove the sugar out of our diet. And don't forget that sugar comes with many other names like glucose, sucrose, fructose, galactose, lactose, etc. So please avoid all these artificial sweeteners or any name that you cannot pronounce, and go for the most natural things. And I really recommend you to go to Sharan website for our dessert recipes, and I want to point you to my favorite. It's called raw brownies, and it's just a 3 ingredient super easy recipe where you mix dates and walnuts and cacao powder or cacao beans, and you just put them together in a food processor with a pinch of salt, and they process themselves in the food processor. You pat them into a tray and you have the most delicious brownies, even more delicious than having cooked them. Try it and you'll never go back to sugar.